Hey DIYers, today on Make Your Mark we are upstyling glass vases with some colorful artwork that I created on my gel press. As far as I'm concerned, anything can be a canvas, and putting your artwork on a glass vase is a great way to display it. Are you ready? Let's upstyle some glass vases. As of 2012, the earliest pottery vessels ever found are somewhere between 19 and 20,000 years old. They were found at the Jianrendong cave in China. There are many reasons people are drawn to bright colors. Some people believe that bright colors can help boost their mood, while others enjoy the way that bright colors can add vibrancy and life to a room. Additionally, many people find that wearing bright colors makes them feel more confident and happy. The use of lacquer as a protective finish was developed in China. Lacquered wooden objects date to Neolithic period civilizations in China and Japan. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you real soon. Bye!